a list of healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar. If you want to lose weight and get healthy, it's important to lower the amount of carbohydrates that you eat. Junk foods are high in processed carbohydrates and refined sugars. These have been proven to cause inflammation throughout the body, such as in your liver, which then produces more body fat. Eating too many sugars and carbs leads to a great range of illnesses like diabetes, weight gain, obesity, nerve damage, heart attacks, strokes, and many more problems. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a list of the top 12 healthy foods which contain very low carbs or sugars. Eating these to replace junk foods will bring in lots of nutrients to your body and allow it to heal naturally. Just my usual reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. The first food is eggs. Pasture-raised eggs contain all the building blocks of life and contain only trace amounts of carbs within them. Eggs are a great source of choline and lecithin, which can both break down fat inside your liver and help you to lose weight. Eggs are also rich in protein, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, which help the body's cells to heal and grow. I recommend eating 2 to 4 eggs on a daily basis to boost your nutrition. These will keep you full, feeling focused, and massively reduce cravings for snacks and junk food. Number 2 is kale. Organic kale is hands down one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods on the planet. This leafy green vegetable contains 2 times the vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas. Start eating this lightly steamed as a side dish, or you can blend it raw into smoothies daily to see some major health improvements in your body. Kale contains no starches or sugars, only healthy forms of fiber. The third food is grass-fed meats. You want to choose high-quality grass-fed animal meats like beef, lamb, or organ meats like liver. These are absolutely essential blood-building sources of protein that are rich in bioavailable iron and vitamin B12. Red meats contain no carbohydrates, and they are needed for the development of strong, healthy muscles and also to provide energy to the body. The fourth item on my list is cheese. Cheese is one of the healthiest sources of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, E, D, and K2. Eating cheese helps calcium to be absorbed into your bones, your teeth, and your nails. It also contains healthy fatty acids and proteins, which can improve the health of your brain and help you to concentrate. Please make sure that the cheese you choose is high quality from grass-fed cows or goats. I recommend cheddar, camembert, halloumi, brie, goat's cheese, and mozzarella. Number 5. Pecan nuts. If you like eating nuts, I recommend choosing pecans as they contain a very low amount of net carbs, but contain a high amount of soluble fiber, which helps to control your blood sugars. Pecans are rich in zinc, copper, vitamin B1, and also monounsaturated fat, which will help to keep you satisfied and less likely to crave junk foods when you're losing weight. I recommend eating a small handful of these after your meal, or you can chop them up and mix them with sugar-free dark chocolate. The sixth food is cauliflower and cruciferous vegetables. When trying to improve your health or losing weight, it's 100% essential that you load up on the leafy greens in the cruciferous family, such as cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, bok choy, arugula, and also collard greens. These vegetables are densely packed full of phytochemicals that help your liver to remove toxins from your body. You'll need to eat these to meet your potassium and magnesium needs, 2 essential minerals that help to lower insulin resistance so that you can burn fat at a rapid rate. Number 7 is wild salmon. When following a low-carb diet, oily fish are some of the best natural sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids that you could eat. Omega-3s from wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies all lower inflammation throughout your body and they reverse oxidative damage which is caused by eating sugary foods in the past. Make sure that you do avoid the farmed fish, however, as these contain toxic antibiotics, synthetic food colouring agents, and are fed a very poor diet, making them a low quality food which is low in nutrients. The 8th food is butter. Pure butter that has not been blended with vegetable oil is one of the healthiest sources of retinol to protect and rejuvenate your eyes, your skin, and also your hair. Butter has a bad reputation because of its cholesterol content. However, the cholesterol in butter is absolutely essential for your body. It's used to build hormones like insulin, estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol, which are all needed in the perfect balance to help you lose weight. So start cooking your foods in real butter instead of the inflammatory oils to help strengthen your bones with calcium, to minimize your cravings, and also to help your gallbladder release bile, which will help your body break down fat. Up next is number 9, sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a form of fermented cabbage and is one of the richest sources of vitamin C and probiotics in the world. You can eat this 2 to 3 times per week to boost the amount of friendly bacteria in your body, helping to support gut health and lowering blood sugars for weight loss. Fermented vegetables are very easy to digest for those who have digestive disorders like acid reflux, IBS, Crohn's, or diverticulitis. The probiotics and the prebiotic fiber in these foods will feed the cells in your colon to heal any existing damage. Number 10 is avocados and extra virgin olive oil. When you're cutting out carbs and sugar, you definitely want to add more healthy fats into your diet to help control your appetite. Avocados are one of the most nutrient-dense foods in the world and are rich in monounsaturated fats which provide fuel and energy to your cells. Avocados are also rich in potassium, magnesium, and a molecule called avocatin B, all of which improve hormone balance, lower insulin resistance, and help your body to metabolize and burn fat. Similarly, extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest cooking ingredients. It's loaded with anti-inflammatory chemicals like oleocanthal and oleuropein, which can get rid of pain, swelling, joint pain, inflammation, and also improve the health of your liver. Don't underestimate number 11, which is nutritional yeast. When you're on a diet or you're exercising heavily, your body uses up its B vitamin reserves to help break down your stored fat and turn it into energy. This can leave you depleted in B vitamins, causing you to feel weaker, tired, and it can even trigger anxiety and mood disorders in some people. So start consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast on a daily basis. This deactivated yeast is rich in the B vitamin complex and will help to fix your metabolism, lower stress hormones, and support healthy weight loss. Number 12 is herbs and spices. To heal any ailment in your body or to help you lose weight, eat freshly chopped herbs in salads on a regular basis. Some of the most healing herbs are mint, basil, parsley, oregano, cilantro, dill, rosemary, and thyme. These herbs don't contain any starches, but they're packed full of antioxidants and phytonutrients that can support weight loss and blood sugar management. Likewise, I also recommend spices like turmeric, cinnamon, coriander seeds, black pepper, and ginger. These are some of nature's most powerful natural healers, which help to repair the liver, the pancreas, and the digestive organs. Spices contain a very tiny amount of carbs, but you don't need much of them to get the benefits and to give your meals a delicious flavor. What's interesting about nature is that the most nutrient-dense foods that are the healthiest often have the most vibrant tastes and flavors. So here's a quick summary of some of the foods that I've talked about today. Eating a mixture of these foods to replace carbohydrates will quickly help your body to burn fat at a